Hello everyone, this is Eddie from Yealink. I'm currently at Yealink's booth at Zoomtopia 2023. So right now I'm going to tell you a little more about Yealink MeetingBoard 65 all-in-one solution. And this solution can be fitting in almost all the scenarios, ranging from small to medium or even to large sized conference room or even educational scenarios. So what's special for this solution? It has built-in microphone, speaker, as well as a digital camera on the top, with the privacy shutter being able to be closed automatically if this device is not in a meeting. So what's more, so with this device, you will be able to use Zoom new whiteboard and classic whiteboard functionalities empowered by Zoom and Yealink. So this device will be providing a really native Zoom room experience for users. For more information, please visit yealink.com.